Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am going to review a small software with you people which name is CAD Reader, which is very helpful for technical people as well as for non-technical people. But by myself I am recommending CAD Reader for civil engineering students, for civil engineers, as well as if someone is working on construction site, so this small software CAD Reader can help them. Remember guys, if you are working on construction site, so you are not able to use PC or laptop on construction site, so this application or software you can use with your mobile phone. You can open AutoCAD file, you can make a house plan, you can make modification, and you can read a drawing. So therefore it's very helpful for you people to download. The link is in the description of this video. You can use it free for 1 month. After 1 month you can use it on paid services. Okay, so its price is very low. So this is very small software which is about 27 to 28 MB. So this is very light software. So therefore guys, it's very important for you people to download, and I am guiding you for some important features how to use CAD Reader. So let's start. Okay guys, now I will guide you how to download CAD Reader software for mobile phone as well as for PC. So guys, you can see the link is in the description of this video for this website. The name of this website is cadreader.golden.com. So when you search in Google, so you will find two options here. Download CAD Reader for Android. The second one is download CAD Reader for Windows. So now it's up to you. If you want to use for PC, so click on the second one. For mobile app, click on the first one to download. Here guys, we have some important videos how to use this website. So I have already installed CAD Reader for PC. Guys, you can see on my desktop. So CAD Reader, click on this icon, CAD Reader. So this is the CAD Reader software. Now guys, let me open my AutoCAD file. So just simply click on the open button and open files. Let me open new drawing. So this is my AutoCAD file. So in this website you can open AutoCAD file easily through with your mobile phone as well as for PC. So guys, we have some important features here: measure, shapes, text, line, freehand, delete, height. Okay, so different features we have. So first of all, before starting the drawing, if you need the units in meter or millimeter, so you will click on the setting and click on the second option, drawing unit is millimeter, show area in square meter, and save this. Okay, as well as guys, you can change the colors here. Let me show you. Let me select the color here, this one. Okay, save this. Now guys, I will measure this line from start to end. Okay, so click on the measure, click aligned. So this is my first point, this is my end point. Guys, you can see. So this is the dimensions. Let me take from here. Guys, you can see clearly. Okay, so here if you need to write some text here, so you will write the text. For example, click on the text, single line text right here, boundary wall. For example, if you need to write anything, so guys, you can see, right? So let me take area for rectangle. So click on the rectangle, this one, and drag it. Guys, you can see here. So S stand for square. So this is square meter area, and C stand for circumference. Okay, so you can change the color in the setting as I told you before. Here you can change. Okay, so let me take the other rectangle. Now guys, you can see here. Guys, we have different options here. In measure, coordinates, you can take coordinates for this. Guys, you can see XY coordinates, you can see clearly. So scale setting, arc length, so different options we have, so you can use it. Now guys, let me guide you how to take polygon arc area. So if you have arc, so how you will find its area. So simply click on polygon arc area. So I clicked on this. So this is my first point, this is the second point. Now you can see guys, this is arc. Click on this arc. Now guys, you can see this is the other point. Next point, let me close here, this one. As you can see, this is the area for arc shape box. Okay, let me show you how to delete something here. So click on the delete. So clear all comments or erase comment. Okay, so click on this, so it is erase. Click on this, simply like this. Okay, so now guys, we have you can make a printout from this. So simply click on the print. Okay, and select your printer, or you can also make PDF file from this. Okay, so this is landscape, this is Portland. Just okay, and you will see the PDF file, because we have also option for PDF, also for XPS document, and you can also select your printer. Hope this website can help you. So therefore guys, I am guiding you and I am also recommending you to download this software through your mobile phone. You can simply go to the Google app and write down their CAD reader, so you can install. This is just 28 MB, as well as you can download for PC. The link is in the description of this video. Simply write down these or click on that link and you will find everything here. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.